got a new member of the family. I know that you've seen all my fox cubs. Now we have another little baby. Look. Hello. Imogen's been a very, very naughty baby. She's taken all our potted plants and strewn them all over the floor. What a mess. Let me know if you've got any baby animals in your garden at the moment. Pop it in the comments below.